Just arrived here at Fretz RV, the all-new Granite Ridge from Jayco. This all-wheel drive comes on the Transit gasoline chassis, 3,500. This is a great off-road vehicle, 4 seasons. All your water components are right here. You have a large exterior storage compartment, outside rear awning. Continuation of that outside storage compartment, which is huge. Coming around the side, you have your outdoor kitchen, which includes a cooler, a sink with running water, a 2-burner gas cooktop. And as we head inside, we have a very versatile dinette table here. This table moves closer or further away. You can swivel both front seats. Do swivel in this unit. You have a nice TV up front, great storage all around. Has the Firefly system, nice microwave, convection, big bowl sink here, and you do have an induction cooktop that you can put right here. Nice size refrigerator here with the freezer and a drawer below. Great 12-volt refrigerator here, and a great bathroom. Yes, it is a wet bath. It does have a cassette toilet, but it is very spacious. Gives you a lot of room in there. So even has a window in the bathroom and a fan. Coming to the back, you have the 2 twin bed situation, but you can make it 1 big bed by folding this out, or 2 twins, whichever you prefer. It has ducted air conditioning, so you have air conditioning ducts in the ceiling here that's going to move that air conditioning through the unit. Has dual pane windows, large dual pane windows that open wide all the way around, and they have screens and blackout shades all the way through here. Large dual pane windows. This is a beautiful coach. Just arrived here at Fretz RV in Souderton, Pennsylvania. As for me, my name is Mary Stevens. I'd be happy to put you in one of these Granite Ridge today.